Hello, my dear student. Good morning to all of you. Student, I hope you are all well at your home. Student, don't be panic because I am explaining the all exercise very slowly. Okay, so write down the all exercise of chapter number 2 in your book and some question in your notebook. Means fair copy. Okay, student. Now ready for the solving the exercise of chapter number 2. Student, in your previous classes I have already discussed all the topics. Okay, so ready, open your book, take your copy, homework copy, and you can write down direct in the classwork copy. If your writing is very good, you can write directly in your fair copy. Okay, student, so open your book, take the pencil, eraser, and ready. So let's ready. I am going to take the book because the questions are given in your test. Open page number 25, student. What day today? Today is Friday and date is 23rd July. 23rd July. Sorry, today is 24th July. Okay, already written 24th July 2020. Class 5. Subject Science. Today's topic is exercise. Exercise of chapter 2. So before the starting of the chapter 2, in your fair copy you should write the date and chapter's name. What is the chapter's name? Don't write this exercise of chapter 2. This is your topic in the class, not in your fair copy. This is the what is food, health and hygiene. Food, health and hygiene. Food, health and hygiene. Hygiene. Okay. Open the page number 24 and before the starting of the question answer in your fair copy, you should write down the key terms in your copy. Key terms means there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 key terms and their explanation already given. This is for your practice. In examination, we can also ask what is the definition. Define the terms. So write down this from your textbook. Okay. Concept check. Concept check. In the previous class I have already discussed about the what is the communicable diseases. After completing the communicable diseases, there is the concept check in the page number 25. Page number 25. Write down in your textbook with the pencil. Don't use the pen. Okay, student. Column A, column B. In column A, match the following columns. Match the following columns. Okay. First of all, write down the question. Question. COLUMN, column A. COLUMN, column B. Okay. Question. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. What are the how many points? Only 5 points. Okay, and they are the A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, this is the first. Write down the question in your fair copy. In your fair copy, not in the book. Write down in your fair copy. Make the following. And what the answer? Right way of the answer. Suppose you are write down the all the question and write the what is the answer. Answer. First, I am going to write down the answer direct. Diabetes. Diabetes, you know, student, in column B, what is the right answer? This is the non-communicable disease. First B. Okay. Malaria prevents from tuberculosis. B already completed. Direct contact causes due to the insect bites and waterborne disease. So malaria is caused due to the insect bites. D. Okay. Third, jaundice. Jaundice, you know, student, this is caused by water, infected or contaminated food and water. So answer number E. And chicken pox. Chicken pox, student, is a direct contact disease. Okay, student, write down the correct answer is C. And fifth, vaccine prevent from tuberculosis. Prevent from tuberculosis. Okay, student. So in real time, you should write down the answer in your homework copy. Okay, write down very fast. What is the answer of page number 25? Now, learn the key points also. This is very useful for the solving the exercises. Very useful. We have also take this answer, these key points according to the questions. Now open page number 27. I am going to rub this. First question. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. An instant source of energy is water, no. Sugar, yes. Fruit, no. Green vegetables, no. So sugar provides instant energy to our body because that dissolves in our blood. So first, what is the correct answer is B. That is sugar. Second, obesity is caused due to the excessive intake of fat, carbohydrate, both A and B, water. Water, no. Fat and carbohydrate, both. Fat and carbohydrate, this is the responsible for the obesity. So avoid too much eating of the fat and carbohydrate types of food. So answer will be C. What is both A and B? Both A and B. What is the way of write down the answer? Don't write this. Choose the correct answer in your notebook copy. Don't write. direct tick in the textbook with the help of pencil. Okay, student? So tick this C. Okay. B. Don't write this in the textbook, in the notebook copy. Use only pencil and tick in the textbook. Third, beriberi is caused due to the deficiency of vitamins B. B. Okay, vitamin B. 4. A communicable diseases among the following: cancer no, cholera as, heart disease no, night blindness no. So cholera, B. CHOLERA, cholera. 5th, disease like common cold or diphtheria spread through infected air, water, no, food, no, blood, no. Common cold generally spread from one person to the another person through air. Air. Okay, tick on these points in the textbook. Okay, student? Now, get ready for the next question. Student, take second question saying that take. What take? Take. The correct word and cross the wrong one. First, I am going to read first question. Carbohydrates are bodybuilding or energy giving? Student, don't write in the copy. So, tick or cross direct in your textbook. Bodybuilding, and second is energy giving. So cross this and tick this, because student, carbohydrates are the energy giving nutrients. Second, protein, fats repair the damaged cells and tissue. Student, proteins already called the body building food. So protein, PROTEI, protein. On protein you should tick and cross on fats. Third, deficiency of vitamin A or iron causes anemia. Student, vitamin A causes the night blindness and iron causes anemia. So tick on iron, vitamin A, and cross on vitamin A and tick on iron. Fourth, typhoid is an airborne disease or waterborne disease? Student, typhoid is generally waterborne disease. So cross and airborne. Cross on a verb of the airborne and tick on a waterborne. Last, vaccination is available for disease like polio and common fever. Common fever generally is a viral disease that cannot be controlled by medicines or vaccines. So vaccination is available for disease like polio. So tick on polio and cross on common fever. So write the arc, tick and cross in the book. Okay student? Now I am going to solving the point number 3rd. There are 5 questions in point number 3rd. Fill in the blanks. Write down. From here, fill in the blanks, write down it in your fair copy, means notebook also, and also write the correct fill in the blanks in the test book also. So get ready to start point number 3rd. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Student, ready? 1. In copy, first you will write down the question number 1, then answer number 1. Okay? But in the book, not required for writing, write down only fill in the blanks. A. Fill in the blanks. Person is a state of complete physical and mental well-being. Which types of person? Student, healthy person. So fill Health, healthy. Healthy. Second, food with all the dash in the blanks means in proper proportion is called balanced diet. What substance found in the foodstuffs means with all the nutrients, N-U-T-R-I-E-N, nutrients. Write down the nutrients in the second. Answer 3rd. Too much in our diet may cause obesity. Too much fat in our diet. Fat. Answer 4. Are fill in the blanks and fill in the blanks help our body to fight against diseases. Student, know vitamins and minerals. Write down in first fill in the blanks vitamins, comma, and minerals. Answer number 5th. Is a deficiency disease. Is a deficiency disease? Student, it is not clear the question. There are so many diseases are deficiency diseases. How deficiency is caused? Deficiency diseases are caused, student, lack of nutrients in the diet. Lack of a nutrients in the diet. Write down from here lack of the nutrients. Lack of any nutrients or a nutrients in our diet is a deficiency disease. Okay, student? So write down the fill in blanks in first of all in your test. Now let us start for the next question. Point number 4. Define the following in one word. Define the following in one word. So there explanation and write down one word of the question. Student, I am going to erase this. Define the following. Define the following. Okay, student. Define the following in one word. In one word. Student, I think don't write the point number 1, 2, 3 and 4 in your notebook. Okay? Notebook. Because so there are many questions are already given in the your textbook. Write down only the math the column, give short answer and answer the following in your notebook copy. So not necessary write down the points 1, 2, 3 and 4. You may write the all answer with pencil in your textbook. Okay. 1. The position in which we set our body. Write down the answer in front of this question. This is the proper posture called PRO, proper, POSTURE. Write down proper posture. Second, disease caused by the deficiency of nutrients is called deficiency disease. DFICIEN, deficiency, DISEAC, diseases, DEFICIENCY. A substance that is put into the blood to protect the body from disease, that is called vaccine. Student, write down fast. Vaccine, VACCINE. Fourth, the fiber content present in food which makes digestion easy. This is called fibers or roughage. ROUGHA. Roughage. Or dietary fibers also called, but write down the roughage. Bodybuilding nutrients which are needed for the repairing and building of body tissue. Student, protein. Protein is also called bodybuilding. So write down this with the help of pencil. Okay, student. And student, write down the today's homework. Learn MCQs, tick fill in the blanks, and one word of chapter 2. Learn MCQs, tick fill in the blanks, and one word of chapter 2 at your home. Okay, student? And you should write down and all the answer with the help of pencil in your book. Okay, student? I hope you are all maintain your copies, books at home. I will check this when I ask you to submit your copy. Okay, student? Thank you for cooperating the online classes. Have a nice day. Okay, student? Write down the homework. Okay.